Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making banana bread, and yes, kids are especially fond of this bread because it's so delicious, just like cake. You will also like it, and it's very easy to make. So let's get baking. Here I'm taking 2 bananas. Mash them all together. So we have to take unsalted butter. And I'm gonna add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then 1 cup of brown sugar inside it. And I like to add 1 cup of white sugar too. Now add 1 egg. And yeah, one of my favorite vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons. Now put 2 cups of flour. Mix perfectly. Okay, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add pinch of table salt. Now you have to mix. Okay, so put some chocolate chips inside it. We need a cup or just measure with your hand. You only need a handful. Good. Just a pencil. So mix it again. So this is the consistency that it should be, not too thin, not too thick. Okay. Don't mix it too much, but make sure everything is well combined. Take a bread pan, grease it with butter. This is why I'm applying butter, because it doesn't stick. It looks yummy. Okay, so next bake it. Set oven for 350 to 375. Now banana bread is baked. We will take it out after it cools down. Now cut banana bread into 6 slices. It's ready. It has become very spongy. Try this recipe yourself and share your experience with me. We will meet again. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.